All right, so we got it on. You have to set your outriggers prior to putting the boat in the water. The buoyancy, we're set at 750 pounds per side. I can stand on when you're rocking the boat and really trying to get after it. I mean, you cannot turn this boat over now. I'm gonna hand the phone over to the old partner here, let him get a video of what's going on here. I'm under 200 pounds, but I'm gonna really try to get this thing up. Nothing is happening. You can walk wherever you want to walk on any point of the boat and not have to worry. There's no concerns unless you're just a klutz. Still got more to doll up and clean up the outriggers, but we should be set. I think we just solved all problems. Maybe some overkill, maybe not.